I received an email from YouTube recently that they've released a new thing called super stickers, which is meant to be the next best thing for making money on YouTube. I've learned that you can turn on super stickers by going to the monetization area and clicking on supers and then ticking these boxes up here that you can see on my screen now. And from the CEO's blog post, they're being promoted as being able to make me up to $400 per minute. So what exactly are super stickers? Well, as a creator, when doing a live stream on YouTube, super stickers are a new piece of functionality that your audience are able to select and send you. They have to pay money to choose a super sticker to send it you. And from you receiving a super sticker from one of your audience members, you're actually receiving that money that they paid to buy that sticker. As a viewer, you can select super stickers when you're doing a live stream or you're watching a premiere release of a video. Now, I've initially released this video as a premiere. So if you're watching this live when it was first released, you should be able to go into the live chat at the side or below this video, have a play around and see where the super stickers are and exactly what I'm talking about. So surely YouTube giving your audience a new way to send you money is a great thing, right? This channel is all about teaching you how to make money online by teaching you how to make educational videos. And surely super stickers is a great way to add an additional source of revenue into that business model. So what we're going to do now is we're going to jump into this YouTube announcement video that you'll see on your screen now that YouTube made when they first announced the release of super stickers. And we're going to jump down into the dreaded YouTube comments to get a taste for what people think about these super stickers and exactly why people think that they suck and they're awful. And I'll also give you my input and my opinion about what people think of super stickers and whether or not they are a feasible way of making money with your channel. Okay, so let's scroll down and see what people are saying. So top comment, I'm not really into the stickers. Anyone else think they're so juvenile and tacky? So people aren't liking the style of the stickers. They think that they are only for kids and they look a bit tacky. And if you actually watch the parts of the video where YouTube show the stickers, you can see that they are really kid focused and really a bit cheesy. I'll put some clips of those new stickers on screen now so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, seeing those on screen, you can really see how they are really sort of kid aimed. And this next comment down here, how about something that's not aimed at 3-year-olds? My Lord, are we all in kindergarten? Just sort of reinforces that. Me as a creator myself, my audience are not kids. I couldn't expect my audience to want to click on these childish like animations and send them to me. But I think YouTube's really messed up there by making a monetizable feature that is so young and kid focused. Let's see some of the other comments we've got here. So we've got a comment here mentioning the FTC, another one here mentioning the FTC. And if we scroll down here, we've got another one mentioning COPPA, and we got another one here, made for kids. But we're seeing a lot of stuff mentioned. We can see another one here, FTC, mentioning the FTC and COPPA. And you might be thinking, why is the FTC and COPPA being mentioned? Well, recently, if you've been living under a rock, you might not have heard this. New legislation has been passed on YouTube where if you have a YouTube channel that predominantly makes content for children, your channel is about to get punished and is about to earn far less money than it would have in the past. Because COPPA, a piece of legislation made by the FTC, basically says that you can't direct advertising at children. So YouTube has to change its whole system and the whole way it operates, and it's basically punishing child-friendly channels and taking adverts away from them because they're not allowed in the future to advertise to children. So channels like mine talking to adults and giving tips about marketing and entrepreneurship are going to be fine, but channels making things like prank videos or animation videos aimed at kids are going to really suffer. And YouTube has released these real child-friendly stickers at a terrible time because a lot of creators are already angry and frustrated that they're going to have their money taken away or severely reduced because they make kid content. And then YouTube just comes at the worst time and makes these stickers focusing at kids, like these happy fun stickers, when all the creators are angry. So even though live chat and super stickers that live within live chat are actually separate to a video, and if you have a video not aimed at kids, someone choosing a super sticker when they're watching it isn't going to all of a sudden make it a kid video. Even though they're two separate things, the timing is terrible and the wound is still fresh and open. People feel real sensitive and angry about this new legislation coming in at this time and making a load of kid-focused monetizable stickers is just sort of a slap in the face of a lot of creators. So what's the solution? What's the way forward now that super stickers are out? Should you be looking to use them or is there another solution? Well, I live completely off my YouTube earnings and I have never used super stickers in my life and I've never made any money from live streams in my life either. And the reason I'm saying that is I think there are tons of better ways of making money through YouTube than relying on the new super stickers that have recently been announced. I think these new super stickers can be quite limiting in terms of who they appeal to, and they're clearly having a damaging effect on a large part of the YouTube community. So if you're looking for other ways to make money through your YouTube channel, I'd recommend checking out my training that I've put together, all about how to start and grow a money-making YouTube channel, especially if you're not focusing your content at people under the age of 14, like super stickers seem to appeal to. I built my training from the ground up to teach you how to take advantage of every money-making opportunity that comes with having a YouTube channel, and that isn't super stickers. So that's YouTube ads, brand deals and sponsorships, selling merch. I go step by step of teaching you how to make as much money as possible with every single opportunity that you have at your disposal. If you're interested in my training, you can find it by going to the link below and entering the code STICKERS30 so that I know that you came from this video, and I'll get you 30% off the retail price. But yeah, to conclude, even though YouTube are singing and dancing about their new super stickers, saying that it's the next best thing since sliced bread, that you can make $400 a minute using them, from the comments left and my general feeling, I really don't think you should be jumping into this 100% and relying completely on super stickers as your YouTube monetization strategy. There's an amazing opportunity to change your life with YouTube. It happened to me. I made this channel 3 years ago, and I now make a full-time living through creating educational content on this channel. It's free to set up a YouTube channel, and if you're doing it right from the start, I think there's so much opportunity for people out there that never existed in the past. So don't put too much time wasting it on super stickers. Just start your channel making money through other money-making opportunities that I think are so much more lucrative. You can learn about them in my training. The training's been out for about 8 weeks now, and I've been making tweaks and improvements, listening to people's feedback who are already enrolled on the course, and I'm really proud of the training that I've put together for you, and I'm just excited to show it off these days because I've put so much work into it, and I really think it's going to be beneficial to so many people out there watching these videos. So thanks for watching, everyone. Let me know what you think of super stickers yourself. Have you used them and had success with them? Do you think they're too childish, that they're a bit tacky, that your audience won't respond and react to them? Let me know below in the comments. Subscribe to this channel for more information in the future of how to grow your educational YouTube channel, to make money through that channel. Videos every week, every Monday. So I'll see you next week with the next one. And peace out.